From bright lights to dark roads, studies show drivers are 3 times more likely to have a crash at night than during the day.
We see less at night when we're driving. Our distance isn't as far. When you're cruising around at 45 miles per hour, you need 190 feet to stop. Our headlights only go about 160 feet. So you need to slow that speed down.
Lee Health Trauma Injury Prevention Coordinator Syndi Bultman says drivers need to practice being patient and alert at night.
You are driving. You're driving a weapon down that roadway, and you need to be concentrating on what's on that road in front of you. And especially at night, that makes it a lot harder.
In 2020, Lee Health Trauma Center saw 834 patients injured in car crashes.
Always wear your seatbelt. Keep your hands on the steering wheel, your eyes on the road, and keep your mind on what you are doing.
If you plan on going out and having a drink, make sure you have a safe way to get home.
We know if we're drinking, we're driving, we've now increased our chance of having a motor vehicle crash, by 4%. We know that if we're tired, that increases our chance of having that motor vehicle crash. And we see a lot of the drowsy driving crashes between midnight and 6 a.m.
Slowing down, limiting your distractions, and making sure you're driving cautiously can keep you safe on the road day and night. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.